Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can probably tell either from my appearance or from the title, we are headed back to Disney. It's actually only Wednesday, May 22nd. Yes, we're going again. I went after work today and we're driving there now. We're getting close. Today we are going to Hollywood Studios, and I apologize for the lighting. My shirt's washed out while my face is not because it's so bright. But we're headed to Hollywood Studios to check out Toy Story Land, which is brand new, as well as a couple of other new to us things. There's a couple kitty things there, and then the Walt thing is redone. And then there's all the new Star Wars stuff happening very soon. So let's start this adventure. We made it! And then right behind there you can see the Disney Skyliner in action testing the vehicles. I'm driving under the Skyliners through this dirty, dirty window. There they are. What's on them? I can't even tell. Blue ones, yellow ones. Who's on that one? We got Pluto, we got Groot and Rocket, we got Pete. Oh my god, there were so many of them. And then we're here to Hollywood Studios. Look at all those Skyliners. I can't believe they go right across the parking lot here. Sorry about the sun glare too, that's pretty bad. There's one. Who's on that one? I think keep going down. So many Skyliners. Holy moly. They get a dirty window. I apologize. Feels weird to be here this late at night, but it's really not that crowded up here.
I feel like Tim won't be here this late.
No, he won't. I don't think he's so either.
Like he's kind of an early bird.
There's the Chinese theater. No longer the Great Movie Ride. So sad. Yeah. Oh, look, they have these up. That's nice. 30 years. I had no idea. There's a photo pass. You want to do that?
Your attention, please. Galactic regulations state that all interplanetary travelers
Are you going to be the rebel spy? I think you are.
It's pretty rickety.
Rickety. It's supposed to be rough. You're on a Star Tour tour. Done. So we're checking the wait times now, see what we can ride. Maybe something in Toy Story Land. But we'll see. But Star Tours was fun. I don't know which planets we went to. That's supposed to change every time. I'm not sure which ones we went to, but we went to 3. So that was exciting. We're headed towards Toy Story Land now. Passing by the Sci-Fi Drive-In, which I've never been to. And passing the Mickey and Minnie starring in Red Carpet Dreams. Are you ready to see it for the first time?
Yes.
Do you know which way it is? That's not that way.
That's the Incredibles.
Yes, I don't know why that's so. Oh, I think they have a dance party over there now. Which sounds like a lot of sweating.
Does it have something to do with the Incredibles?
Yeah, they dance with you.
Oh, I see.
Like they host the dance party. I'm being blinded by the sun, so I can barely see Toy Story Land. It does.
It's a little packed.
I imagine it's the most packed thing in the park, but the wait times are less than Rock and Roller Coaster and Tower Terror, which is absolutely insane. There's the sunburst shot of that. Oh, what do you look? Do you think there's a photo pass up there? Oh, it looks like there's a line for it. Yeah, there is one though. It's so backlit though, they can't even see it. Okay, well, it's over here. Slinky Dog just made a noise. There's Lego trash cans, building blocks. What are those called? Lincoln? No. What are these round ones called? I still have them. Tinker Toys. No, that's okay. Yeah, we can hopefully get on the way out. But there's Woody over there. Buzz Lightyear out here, everybody. It's meeting him.
Good.
He does look really good. Like he got a new shiny suit. Oh my god, look how crowded it is. And all of the freaking lights up top. It's so pretty. Hi, Jesse.
Hang on, Rex! I'm trying to hang on, but look at my little arms. I can't hold on to anything.
He's so dramatic. And then Toy Story Mania's new entrance over there. 40 minutes. Not too shabby. And then you got a little cutout for Woody and Jessie to meet in over there.
Even the fonts.
I know. It's hand drawn. Got all sorts of stuff over here. It's very pretty and colorful.
What is the meaning of this pattern?
Those are shoe prints from people. You can see one over there.
I see. From
So we're toys. You can see one underneath those people's feet. They're so far spread out because they're supposed to be so small. I forgot. So there's Woody and Jessie over there. They have a long line. And then there's the big Pixar ball over there. And I think Woody's lunchbox is over here. Yeah, Woody's lunchbox is back there where you can eat. The menu's up here. Looks like here's the menu. This is the menu. Woody's lunchbox. I like how it's very basic. You have to go up there to see the real menu. The restrooms are that way. And then Slinky Dog goes all the way up there. Slinky Dog's at 75 minutes. And then there's the alien swirling saucers, which supposedly has a 20-minute wait. But let's see what it is once we get over there. Here's a better look at the Lego trash cans and the Woody's lunchbox, animal cracker lunchbox, literal lunchbox it looks like that you can eat out of. It is Tinker Toys, see? That's pretty. That's pretty cool. That looks just like the one I have, round jumbo tub. And then there's the restrooms, again, very pretty building blocks. Wonder what they look like on the inside. Now let's see what the standby entrance is for alien swirling saucers. And you got a giant Buzz up there. It's only 20 minutes still. You wanna go? Let's go. So it seems all the theming changes once you get over here. You got the blue, purple, and green, which are Buzz colors. And it gets a little more spacey. They even have fans over there to keep it cool. Hey, Buzz Lightyear blaster here in the grass. Star Command. Buzz Lightyear's box up there. And then a hidden Green Army dude. How fun! I wonder if there's more of them. Gotta step on it. You gotta step on it.
We're number 3.
I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty cool in here. Glow stars on the ceiling. Aliens in the middle.
Your attention.
Big one.
A message.
Orange.
For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, your hands, arms, feet, and legs.
S16 is the best vehicle. Orange. Alien number 5297. Probably. I just made it up. You ready? You got all these buttons? You gonna hold on to the backpack because there's this thing for it. It won't fit though, I think. I think you should tighten this more. I'm loose.
Don't look that rough.
I'm digging the music. No, gosh. Some people will do this. That's the start. It's so fast that I'm here we are. well worth a 20-minute wait if you ask me.
Yeah, that was alright.
I liked it. I mean, it's just a carnival ride, but it's definitely fun. Let's go to, what time was it? Do you think we can make our fast pass?
It was 7:20 for Little Mermaid voyage.
So we'll probably head over that way.
It is 7:19.
We're heading over that way. We only got, what, 15 minutes to use it?
Yeah, that'll give us 15 minutes.
Okay. So let's go do that. Okay, we just took a photo pass in front of the Toy Story Land sign, and if I remember, I'll put in the picture here, where your face is, to show you guys what it looks like. Still pretty crowded everywhere, it seems. Off to the Little Mermaid we go to use our fast pass. Yay! So we just finished Little Mermaid. Now we're walking down Sunset Boulevard to get some dinner. I forgot what the place was called that we wanted to go, but I know it's towards Tower of Terror, which looks beautiful during sunset tonight. But we're gonna go get something to eat, and I will show you guys what we get. Just finished eating our dinner. How was your rice bowl?
More food than I thought it was going to be.
You got pulled pork, right?
Yeah.
I got the kids' chicken nugget meal as always, and that was good. 4 nuggets, fries, and a cookie and milk for 7 something, maybe 8 with tax. But now we're headed down the lit up Hollywood Sunset Boulevard. I don't know where we are. To our Toy Story Midway Mania Fast Pass, which ends in 30 minutes, and that music's really loud, really loud. So hopefully it's not too bad. But we're headed to that, and then hopefully back here this way for Fantastic. There's the replica Chinese theater at night. I missed the great movie ride already. Let's hope the next one's fun. The entrance is much less crowded to Toy Story Land now that Fantasmic is less than half an hour away. So maybe this is a better time to come, although looking around the bend, it does seem a little bit more crowded in the actual land itself. And the photo pass is now gone. Oh, nope, he's still there. Now you can get it at nighttime too. Interesting. But all the lights are on, and it looks very fun out here. All the colored lights up in yonder. You can hear Slinky Dog over there screaming. But we have Toy Story Mania Fast Passes up next. Jessie and Rex up there. Then all the lights up here. And Buzz Lightyear's there, of course. 15 minutes is a standby.
Oh.
Should we check Slinky Dog first?
I'll check it.
Okay. So 15 minutes for Toy Story Mania. We're gonna walk over to Slinky Dog. Or are you gonna look it up?
I'm not
Okay. And you can still meet Woody and Jessie in front of their Midway Mania game. Slinky Dog comes pretty close over here to the side. Let's see. We got the umbrellas. 35. Should we skip Fantasmic and go for it?
I think so. And, well, we gotta do
Midway Mania first. Okay, let's go do that. Wow. They got the bear toy, Mr. Potato Head. Huh? He's just a toy from the Midway Mania game. Huh. I can feel the air conditioning pouring out of here. Look at the Uno cards. That's so fun. Huh? Dominoes. Guys, look at this, it's empty. Yeah. An Etch-a-Sketch. Huh? Yeah. 15-minute walk on, and we used another fast pass. It's Mr. Ham. Some more Tinker toys, Crayola crayons. They look so real. Got them. Thank you. Who's gonna win? I'm gonna win. I love that Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger spin. I'm gonna win at this. An empty line for Slinky Dog, because the line is now closed. Getting a countdown. We're revving backwards. It's like those Hot Wheel things. It's gonna go so fast.
Here we go.
Oh no! Woo! Oh my gosh! Oh, that was beautiful. Oh no, bunny hills.
To your right. So long, pal.
So long, Slinky. Well, that was amazing.
That was pretty good.
That was well worth 30 minutes, even though it wasn't 30 minutes. Oh, you can watch people down here too. That's cool.
It was a little short, not gonna lie.
I know, but it was fast though. I thought it was gonna be quite slow.
That was pretty good.
There it goes again.
Lots of exciting parts.
It didn't make as much noise as it seems like it should, like it did out in the main section. So empty. It's empty! The park is officially closed. And we're now heading out. But it's been a good day. You ready? It's not focused on me yet. How does it feel to have completed the Toy Story Trifecta in one day?
3 rides, not too bad.
Well, we did more rides than that, but
Yeah.
Brenda had a, what, over 50-minute wait most of the day.
Yeah. I waited maybe 30 minutes. Yeah,
It was around exactly 30, but clearing out Toy Story now, and then seeing if the Star Wars fireworks thing's still going on.
It's 9:28, so
Oh.
we'll start for 2 minutes. We can make
Still
it.
happening. Okay, guess we're heading to that next.
Exit station Box 7. We're on the way.
And this is what it looks like when everyone's trying to leave after the Star Wars. Spectacular. Much crowded. Very, very crowded. And that is it from Hollywood Studios today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys enjoyed the most from this video, and let me know what you guys want to see next time in my vlog. But thank you guys again so much for watching, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.